Did you know that one tiny spark can start a huge wildfire? Let's learn some powerful fire vocabulary words in just a few minutes. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Educational Hub. This is an educational and knowledgeable video for not only students but also general viewers who want to improve their real life understanding, so stay with me and learn something new today. Today, we are going to learn some important fire related vocabulary words that will help you improve your knowledge and understand different types of fire. So, let's get started. Flame, the visible burning part of a fire. Flames can be different colors depending on the temperature and the material being burned. Blaze, a large, strong fire. It spreads quickly and gives off a lot of heat and light. Blazes can occur in forests, buildings, or open areas. Ash, the soft gray powder left after something burns. It is usually gray or black in color. Ash is formed when wood, paper, or other materials are completely burned. Burn, to be on fire or damaged by fire. It happens when something gets very hot and starts to change or be destroyed. Burning produces heat, light, smoke, and sometimes ash. Campfire, a small fire made outdoors for warmth or cooking. It is usually built with wood and surrounded by stones for safety. People often gather around a campfire while camping to relax and tell stories. Wildfire, a fire that spreads quickly through forests or grasslands. It can grow quickly due to dry weather, wind, and heat. Wildfire can destroy trees, wildfire habitats, and buildings. Spark. A spark means a tiny glowing piece of fire. It appears for a short time and gives off a small flash of light. Sparks can start a fire if they land on dry materials. Amber, a small hot piece of burning wood or coal. It stays hot and can glow red or orange without a flame. Ambers can still start a fire if they come into contact with dry materials. Ignite, to start a fire. It happens when heat, a spark, or a flame sets a material on fire. Fuel, wood, and paper can ignite easily under the right conditions. Extinguish, to put out a fire. It can be done using water, sand, or a fire extinguisher. The word can also mean to end or stop something completely. Inferno, a very large and dangerous fire. It produces enormous heat, flames, and smoke. Infernos can spread rapidly and cause widespread destructions. Torch, a stick with a burning flame at one end. It may use a flame or batteries to produce light. Torches help people see in the dark and are useful outdoors. They are often used while camping, hiking, or during emergencies. Smoke, the gray or black gas that rises from fire. It rises into the air and is usually gray, black, or white. Smoke can reduce visibility and may be harmful to breathe. Bonfire, a large outdoor fire. It is usually built with a pile of wood and burns brightly. People often enjoy bonfires during festivals, camping trips, and special events. Bonfires should be surprised carefully to ensure safety. Kindle. Kindle means to start or build a fire. It is often done using a spark, flame, or dry materials. Small sticks and dry leaves are commonly used to kindle a fire. Before you go, tell me this, which fire vocabulary word was completely new for you today? Comment below. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting vocabulary videos. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.